Coffee grinders often aren't as appreciated as coffee machines. It's not the most well-known fact that grinders are as, if not more, important than coffee machines. Today, we take a look at the wallet-friendly options and help you find the best budget coffee grinder for you. You'll find every pick and its link in the description section. In fifth place, we have the Handground Precision Manual Coffee Grinder Conical Burr Mill. This see-through, eye-catching design focuses on comfort and control. You get 8 straightforward grind sizes, and the vertical grinding motion, rather than a side crank, can feel natural if you like to brace the grinder on a counter. A rubber base helps stabilize the grind and reduces strain during longer sessions. And the larger-than-average capacity is handy when you're making more than a single cup. As with most grinders, the coarser ranges get a bit uneven, and this one can struggle with ultra-fine grind settings. It's also on the heavy side compared to other hand grinders. Still, if you want a simple dial of 8 settings, a stable base, and a form factor that prioritizes comfort for longer grinds, it's a compelling budget choice. Coming in at number 4 is the Porlex Mini Stainless Steel Coffee Grinder. Built around ceramic conical burrs housed in a stainless steel body, it's designed to be both lightweight and compact, small enough to nest inside an AeroPress for truly minimal travel kits. Despite the tiny footprint, it can cover brew methods from espresso to French press, letting you explore fine through coarse recipes. The rubber holder around the body helps reduce heat transfer from your hand as you grind, which is a thoughtful touch for consistency on the go. 2 trade-offs to keep in mind. The capacity is limited at around 20 grams, and the grind setting dial isn't the sturdiest. If you typically brew single cups and want a durable, packable grinder that can pull double duty from camp mornings to quick home brews, this compact Porlex is hard to beat for portability. At number 3, you'll find the 1Zpresso Q2 Mini Manual Coffee Grinder. For travel-first coffee people, this hits 2 key checkboxes. It packs away safely, and it keeps settings stable. A dual-bearing triaxial design locks in your grind selection more securely for better consistency than many budget hand grinders, and it assembles and disassembles quickly when you're on the move. With stainless steel burrs and a sturdy body, it's markedly more consistent than any blade grinder, especially through the medium to coarse ranges used for French press, Chemex, and similar brews. The main limitation is size. It's really small and best for brewing just 1 cup at a time. If your routine is single-serve mugs and you want reliable, repeatable results outside the kitchen, think hotel rooms, day hikes, or office breaks, the Q2 makes a strong case as a pocketable grinder that doesn't compromise on stability. Taking the second spot is the Porlex JP30 Stainless Steel Coffee Grinder. This manual burr coffee grinder has a reputation for durability and everyday practicality. The stainless steel body is well suited to life in a backpack or a kitchen drawer, and it offers a wide range of grind settings, so you can tune for AeroPress, pour-over, or even larger batches. If you tend to brew multiple cups in one go, the Porlex JP30's slightly bigger chamber is a meaningful advantage over many compact options. Day-to-day, it's easy to develop a rhythm, and with regular cleaning, you can keep your grind settings consistent. There is one caveat. With prolonged use, the grind setting mechanism can become loose, so maintenance and occasional checks are important. For campers, busy households, or anyone who wants a tough, portable grinder with more capacity than the tiny travel units, the JP30 is a balanced, versatile pick. And finally, at number 1, the Capresso Infinity Conical Burr Grinder. If your go-to brews lean towards espresso and pour-over, this electric burr coffee grinder stands out by performing especially well at fine settings. A programmable timer up to 60 seconds adds set-and-forget convenience, while the easy-to-clean conical burr setup and minimalist design fit nicely on most coffee bars. At its coarsest, it runs a bit finer than an ideal French press grind, and like many burr grinders, it can retain grounds and grow less consistent as you move coarser. So it's not the best match for cold brew. But within its wheelhouse, it exceeds expectations for a budget unit, delivering the kind of fine-range consistency that elevates espresso shots and clean pour-overs. If you set your priorities towards finer grinds and want electric convenience without overspending, the Infinity aligns perfectly with that brief. To recap, the Handground brings comfort, stability, and a clear 8 settings approach. The Porlex Mini excels in ultra-compact travel builds. The Capresso Q2 prioritizes on-the-go consistency for single cups. The Porlex JP30 adds durability and capacity for multi-cup routines. And the Capresso Infinity delivers standout fine grind performance for espresso and pour-over. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next guide. And if you want to dig deeper into any pick, you can find everything neatly organized in the description links below.